Hi, if you wanna change slow motion speed on Samsung Galaxy S25, then of course open Camera app, and now from photo mode switch to the Smart tab by swiping left on the bottom. After that pick slow motion of course, and now we need to tap right here on resolution, and as you can see when FHD at 240 fps is enabled, then we got speed of 1/8. And if you wanna change speed, then switch to Ultra HD at 120 fps. And now speed is 1/4. So this is how you can easily change speed of your slow motion videos. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.